disappointing and shameful what we keep doing in this state to the poor.
We've been waiting for decades for this time, and there's so many people. There's millions and millions of pro-life people, and I feel like they're finally getting their voice amplified right now.
Strong reactions on both sides as Louisiana lawmakers refuse to add exceptions for rape and incest to pending abortion legislation. Good evening and thanks for watching. I'm Katie Moore.
And I'm Sharice Gibson. House members also approved a bill making it more difficult to obtain abortion-inducing drugs.
Yeah, as Paul Murphy reports, the bills come as states are preparing for the possibility that the Supreme Court will overturn the landmark case that legalized abortion in the U.S.
Abortion in Louisiana would be outlawed if the U.S. Supreme Court strikes down Roe v. Wade. The so-called trigger law means all three of the state's remaining abortion clinics, including the one in New Orleans, would have to immediately shut down. The High Court's decision could come as early as Monday. Thursday night, the Louisiana House took action to ensure the state's abortion laws remain some of the most restrictive in the country.
I keep wondering, why do we keep needing this over and over? And I think it's just to torment and harass and to hurt women, keep them controlled.
The House passed a bill that would enhance criminal penalties for abortion providers. At the same time, members rejected attempts to create exceptions for rape and incest victims. Representative Mandy Landry, a Democrat from New Orleans, called the vote depressing.
You're going to have a lot of women who are going to try to self-manage an abortion, and the results are going to be very deadly. We know the coat hanger stories from before Roe are real, and it's going to happen again.
Sarah Zikorsky from Louisiana Right to Life explained why her group opposed the exceptions.
Rape and incest are violent, horrific crimes, and we believe those who perpetrate those crimes should be penalized to the fullest extent of the law, but the unborn child shouldn't be killed because of the crimes of their father.
The House also approved the measure by Senator Sharon Hewitt, a Republican from Slidell. It would make it a crime to provide abortion-inducing medication by mail.
With mail-order abortion, we know that it's dangerous for the maternal patient to receive pills in the mail without having a pregnancy test, without having any kind of physician oversight.
With the expected end to surgical abortions, more women would likely turn to the two-pill procedure to terminate their pregnancies.
It says that you can't order the abortion pill from another state. I mean, the state of Louisiana can't regulate interstate commerce, but they're going to try to.
Both bills now head back to the Senate to approve wording tacked on in the House. Paul Murphy, Eyewitness News.
Governor John Bel Edwards says he supports exceptions for rape and incest. He has not yet said whether he will veto this abortion legislation.